Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you one of the best and easiest ways on how you can clean your iPhone screen so you can get it as crystal clear as possible. So if you haven't cleaned your iPhone screen for quite some time, you may be having the issue of quite a lot of dirt and dust and grease and even oils building up on the screen of your iPhone. So this can actually cause several different issues such as the Touch ID not working, the actual touchscreen not being responsive, and also you're not able to do custom commands as well. So if I go ahead and lock my screen, and if I just put my phone on an angle here, you can actually see the buildup of dirt and grime on my iPhone screen, as I actually haven't cleaned this for quite some time. And as you can see, there's just quite a bit of natural oils from when you make phone calls, and the oils from your fingers, and just dirt from your pocket as well. So I know for some other videos they do specify using a microfiber cloth and other tools like that, which is ideal. But I do think in many circumstances most people do not have these tools on standby. So the next best thing that I do recommend is to go ahead and just get an alcoholic wipe. And this is really good as it will go ahead and remove all the oils and grease from the iPhone device. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this now. I've just taken this one out of the pack. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub over the iPhone device, and I'm just going to get on all the corners and all of the edges as well. And as you can see, the iPhone is still quite wet from the wipe. So the next step I want to do is just go ahead and get a dry piece of tissue, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this off. And then I can just go ahead and keep doing this, and I just want to do this quite thoroughly as well. And then I can go around all the corners of where I wiped the phone just before, and I just want to get around all the corners, and I can keep repeating this process. So I've gone ahead and done that two-step process to my iPhone. So I'm just going to put my iPhone on the same angle as before, and as you can see guys, there's no fingerprints, smudges or grease or pretty much any dirt to be seen on the screen whatsoever. So that really is one of the simplest and easiest ways on how to clean your iPhone screen. So if you want to go ahead and ensure the screen is as clean as it possibly can be, you can actually go ahead and repeat this process a couple of times, as you may have missed a bit of dirt and grease around the corners of the iPhone as well. So there you have it guys, that's one of the simplest and easiest ways on how to clean the iPhone screen. So if you've come up with your own DIY at home fix, please share it down below in the comments section, as you'll be helping many other iPhone users out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.